single gas detector for carbon monoxide. It's always on, doesn't have a battery to change, it's always on our medical bags. As the fire chief from Montgomery County, I want to make sure that each of you is safe at home. Each of you has your smoke alarm and now has your carbon monoxide alarm. Carbon monoxide is identified as the colorless, odorless, and silent killer. Carbon monoxide comes from the burning of fossil fuels, natural gas, propane, fuel oil, wood, coal, or if you have a car parked in the parking garage, that can produce carbon monoxide. These detectors are just as simple as plugging it into an outlet, and you need to have one outside of each sleeping area and on every level of your house.